Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin from the desktop. Make sure you have administrator rights, otherwise changes won't stick. Once done, close Adobe Acrobat and Reader so Updater services aren't active, and save any open PDFs. Now open Acrobat or Reader and navigate to the menu. On Windows, that's Edit. On Mac OS, use Acrobat menu, then check Help About to note the version. This helps later when determining which updater service or preference to target. Once you're inside Preferences, go straight to the Updater or Adobe Updater pane. This is the primary control point. Uncheck Automatic Update options and any box that says Notify or Schedule checks. You're stopping the service at source. Make sure to click OK or Apply, then quit and relaunch the application so settings take effect. If the options are grayed out, you'll need to modify system services or use the Updater executable. Proceed to the next slide for those steps. Now stop Updater services at the system level. On Windows Open Services, find Adobe Acrobat Update Service, set Startup to Disabled and stop it. On Mac OS, use Launch Tool to unload related plist files. Also check Task Scheduler and login items for any Adobe Updater entries and remove them. Once done, restart the machine and confirm no update prompts appear. If the updater still returns, reinstall Acrobat using
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.